Kalatvlive. Kalatvlive machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
Dikoro mugideko skalo kanya uchiel bang' sa ariyo kugwen maket kod maendi en tielo ne romo adek kendo mogik e Sulwe ne Mokinyi mana kaka nwasesingo nuno dhi bedo kod achiel kuom jotend jotiegre katiegno romo mano mar Kenya Institute of Management kata KIM ebo paro ni jo KIM gi osebedo kani kod midhiero makoni kod kocha mabende nochako gi ndalo mokare adek mokalo chien kanyo kabende nitie moko kuom kuonde tat somo moktini 18 masani koro ne piny owacho boten migawo mochung' ne somo goeko mag TVETs ne koro Loro tie moko kuom kithor kata ling'any mag somo pogore mabende sani koro ogeng' kata olore katiegruok nero mano mar KIM kabende nitiere nyithindo kata jo Kenya mabende nosomo e KIM kuro kotenre kod igni mopogore mabende sani koro nuro ne chunygi ni obokgi mag somo goeko samoro koro ok nyal biro konyogi. Penjo mang'eny malo duoko wuok kotenre kod okang' machal kod maendi. Ka in janyuol kata ka in jal mabende nosomo KIM ok ang'eyo ni chunyi wacho ang'o, to gin kanye kaka gin jo Kenya. Yien mondo mi arwak achiel kuom jotend jopuonjre Kisumu County mano migosi Ojijo. Adwani mondo mi okaw thuolo kendo mi oting' duonde omoso oganda jo Kanyanam. Ojijo yawre Okinyi maket kod maendi.
Oyawre ahinya.
Pod uywak.
Yokto nyaka
Full ne oganda jo Kanyanam nyingegi.
Erokamano mokwongo kuom rwaka i Kalatvlive kaendi. An iluonga ni Ojijo John. I'm student leader at KIM Kisumu branch. Kendo I study DBM. Those who are in management ong'eyo. DBM is Diploma in Business Management. Yeah.
Wow. Uitho kode ngas manade. Onyi luonge ni?
That is DBM actually.
Oh, DBM.
Yeah.
That's just an abbreviation.
Yeah, sure.
Emu wuotho kama lich kama?
Come on.
Being alone is a lifestyle. Never joke.
Yeah, mane mwatimo.
Ojijo, when did you join KIM?
Actually I joined KIM last year. And diploma at KIM takes only 2 years. So we hope to graduate this year. And then issue new come up koro podwa ng'iyo kaka TVET bro terowa.
Okay.
Jako bro chopo.
Okay. A brief of yourself.
Jono Jijo en wuod Ahero, Kobura.
Okay.
And Kisumu kate ming'ena donge ahinya. Dala kocho kadonge samoro gi other towns lakini sani tantiere Kisumu fully nekech school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where were you in high school?
High school asomo school moro ni Jans International. Jans International.
I thought you were in Njiko.
No, I was in Jans International.
Njiko.
Njiko is home anyway. Those are part of the schools from Korodala.
You are in Jans.
I was in Jans.
Now that makes sense. Kata producer Mara will agree with me, Elizabeth and Diti. That English was from Jans. It was not from any other. Jans Academy?
Yeah, Jans Academy.
Okay.
They're doing such a great job there.
Okay.
And I'll check them out if you have kids. Yeah, in high school, even in primary.
Okay.
I think from even primary to even up to college.
They won't also flop like your KIM is flopping?
Jans had been there, just like Kim. Like in the flopping Murray institution, okay, I'll predict. Interior issues again, because circumstances. Magelo Mago.
Okay.
Yeah, Koro. You can never tell.
Ojijo, first of all, Pauline.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You know, it's something wanyalo nyere lakini and too emotional.
Yeah, there is an anxiety among students. Kendo nyithindo nigi luoro mang'eny kabisa. Lakini wanomedo jiwo gi kaka joma kata nyoro ne wantie gi meeting gi the leadership mar Kisumu region. Never discuss kendo never deliberate on the issues lakini nikech koro TVET nosekawe. Koro warito mondo TVET gi institution moro ma KIM giharakisha somo mar gi mondo mi ngeni sama ginene sama ilongo nade elephants ariyo gawo lume mainyore to one konego as students konego wabed no pay the price gimone waonge.
You are the grass.
We are the grass now at this point. And konego timre kamano.
Ka producer nanyalo yudo na tipo manyoro no ero mapiyo wachak kode.
Alright.
And then kawa nini to bedo machalo nade achiel kachiel wang'eni nyo bedo nade odiochieng' manyoro e county ma Kisumu. Kinde mabende report no chopo ne nyithindo gi eki ni koro kar tat somb gino ero nitie kod tabu. Nyakoro monga juang achiel kachiel wayudo report maket kod mano.
Longano Jijo John an japuonjre KIM kaendi Kisumu. Adwa kwayo jopuonjre duto mag KIM kamoro amora magintie across all our branches duto mondo wabed gi kwe nekech weche manitie manowach kod TVET moko kuom gi gin weche ma gin weche manyaka walu maber kabisa mondo wangi adiera margi, lakini wamor nikech our CEO osetemo kabisa kendo en in communication already gi sirikal kendo weche gi ibro los gi as soon as possible, but to our students we maintain calm kamora mora ma wantie, kik wabed gi koko ka weche gi pod iloso gi gibro miyo way forward. Aparo ni gintiere in gi partnership gi other institution mag samoro kaponi TVET bro shikilia kama giwacho to Kim nyalo place us into other functional institutions. Koro nyithindo kik bed gi wasiwasi.
Bradley Omondi, I'm a student here, and we would like to confirm exactly what he has said.
Yes.
That this is a very, in fact, this is a nice place, and this school has been here for long.
Yes.
And we still need it to be here. So whatever situation that is on hand, we need it fixed as soon as possible so that the normal programs can go on.
Look at the face of that young girl behind you.
Yeah. I see anxiety.
Depression.
I see depression in the making. Podena nesto lakini obro wuok ma kata nyithindo nyalo ringo nego. Nikech ing'eni sama koro an indefinite closure ma school, I don't believe from Congo. It was a good approach. Mana TVET or team.
Okay.
And by the way, first of all, I feel like TVET need to apologize to the institution because of the allegations Magi accused Godo Kim.
Why?
Because our trainers, my lecturers
Are incompetent.
Jokma, I want you to take, for example, if you look around you very well in the county of Kisumu, Wantiere, and the rest of the country at large, the higher percentage mag CEOs, managers you will first meet, greatest percentage mag in product mag Kim, alumni mag Kim. Kim also produced managers. Remember, also been in existence since 1954.
Around 64 years old.
This is 72 actually.
72?
If you subtract 12, my is our 70 what?
72nd. In the
year.
papers it is 64.
Kim came into existence since 1954.
Okay.
So you can do your maths. Yeah, I believe that.
Report ni no yudo yudi ka intie kanye to ne kawe machalo nade.
Report ni ne wawinjo, in fact that very day ne wan gi meeting moro e school. Then wayudo report ni
Weche moko
nitie makuodhore.
Yes.
Kwatemo address gi kaka Kim family as a...
Did you guys approach your administration?
Actually, it's the administration mano approach you first, and we thank them for that. It's good mondo gi prepare psychologically instead of viral code social media to bocha ko bogo. Korogo ero kamano nekech management no reach out gi keto calm and they address the issues.
What did they tell you?
Apparently negi prepare as gi so the claims manitie kata the allegations, along with allegations actually, but it's also good nekech ngeni TVET opinal gori gi sirikal, especially in our place now, one private institution.
Yes.
Sirikal nitie gi chikege and everything mwadwaro ni the alignment mondo obedi mondo TVET gik magi the concerts they are making anyway somehow is they are valid concerts.
Okay.
Gin gik monego oluma ber kabisa kendo nyaka make sure ni deliberate well institution.
What do you mean?
Are
you trying to confirm ni moko kuom gik ma piny owacho yuago kuom Kim moko kuom gik na dier?
Yeah, somehow could be true. Nekech ingeni samoro, like for example, a case of my lecturers. Ingeni there is a difference between inyalo wacho ni lecturer mara samoro inyalo wuok e driving school. Abeda an example moro. Then he qualify mari Bugari. Then delay my license mari wuok to igigachi. Ang'eyo it is risky again, but samoro ng'ama ko in emergency, like you have to rush to hospital at night. Bro, we Bugari to sirikal mondo be license mondi. Our teachers, our trainers gin jokma they're qualified. Samoro pok gibeda beda licensed. Moko kuomgi akawach ni giduto. Lakini I believe most of these people are our lecturers, gise produce jimangen in this industry. Gijama professional, gise stay long
without license.
I believe ni kimio ngato chance to enter gi papers. That's the way to go. License nyalo leo. Lakini if you're qualified, it is well and good. Yeah, koro kanyal wacho ni mano is a big deal.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in short, ntie moko kuom masamoro onge girie kisomo lakini obok manyiso ni gisomo gino to pod gionge.
I believe in Kim ka wuok Kim Kisumu. almost all our trainers gin joma are graduates.
Okay.
Koro gin graduates in line gin courses magipuonjowa. Gin joma stay for long in this industry. They understand management, they understand their duty well.
Okay.
Kendo king'iyo history mar Kim, jogi mose produce jogi duto all along. And Kim no biro actually from 2018, I mean TVETA. From 2018 to 2026 today, how many years are those? Ngiso ni anguma gineno kauono, those years anguma ne timore. That is something we don't understand.
Who licensed Kim?
First of all, TVETA chuogi in 2013, 2012 if I'm not wrong. Kim no biro in 1954. But mano is not an argument. Argument moro new came before, but sirikal to ni laws are laws of change the new government will take over. Kora paro ni
the big question somebody need to ask is who satisfied Kim?
Kim better satisfied TVETA anyway.
Who is a government parastatal?
Government parastatal. Aparo ni Kim kaka ni tieno and obedo license gi TVET. And
so this thing you're calling TVET and Bath Migao Mar Serikal.
Yes.
Ma gine magi license the TVET, which we maybe if I add a chako tat somona, and then I go to TVET.
No.
They assess me. What do you mean?
What I'm telling you, any Kim and a private entity. If you want to attend Kim as a new student,
yes,
you go straight to the Kim premises. It will your admission, it will your inquiry, then you straightforward it again. Mwaso Kim is a professional body. Koro mano mi no magi pull and push and pull ginitie. Yes. But licensing, tell body man team which licensing is TVETA. Koro
no, where we are, TVET nearly, and Bath Serikal.
Bath Serikal, yes.
So we are faulting them because how come they licensed you? Can they give you ni gachela ready?
Koro mane penyo window on bo penjore. Nekech chalo ka gima they are misunderstanding, I will call it that way. But the good thing anyway, any man knows that timore, and the communication are underway. Kendo gi madwa ni mondo gi move with speed, kiko interfere gi timetable mar students. Yeah, mane gima lamo kabisa.
Like yourself, you're supposed to finish by when?
I'm supposed to graduate, that is in December. This year, if all goes well. Yeah, so we hope for that.
If it doesn't?
Apparently, the question of it doesn't matter that now. Gimodwaro ni kataka hapo ni TVETA is in communication with Kim. Gitima pio mondo gi harmonize these issues in a good way. Nekech okwa bingio ni ati what if wa graduate in December to my papers are invalidated. Like Ibro Nyisa Kasani Kore from 2018 papers make jogo in papers ma
cannot take you anywhere.
You can imagine. How do I can you be deployed?
Are you guys wasting your time at Kim?
It is not just waste of time alone, it is waste of time, waste of money, waste of resources, waste of every damn thing. And gima apara ni okay, this is why I'm always calling for Kam. And kaka student leader as a manager at Kim, I believe in approaching matters. Aina magieki. And seja ina go beni wakelo koko kata mana students okonego beni wachidok mopogore gimonego watch as an institution.
Okay.
And emomio ineno Kim osebedo in existence for that long. Nyiso ni yamose gabiro mang'eny to gisebedo ka gi thrive along magi gine gichopo magi chope nyaka kawuono. Koro I believe my bede en mana paka obiro mana kalo.
It's not the first time you're getting shaken?
This is my second year at Kim, like in history mar Kim aparo ni, and I believe every institution mondo chop those decades mise cover go. Ya mama nitie kata ntia ko mana nyoro. Ya already nitie. So is how you react to your mogoiko. Yeah.
Population mar Kim Kisumu would be roughly how many?
We are roughly 500. That is physical students plus online students. Yeah.
And kane ng'eny gi muwuoyo go mosiepe kane gero report ma chal kod ma sani untie newspaper on the screens. What is the reaction of the general before you guys told them to calm down?
Reaction Marian Abdogo erokamano ne Kim students all over by the way. Reaction mar osebedo very positive kendo bedo cooperative gi government kaka mana CEO maro wacho pile. Ni communications why you do on our right channels or talent communication. We have our WhatsApp, we have our online mini handles more official, so we get our communication from there. Koro so far the good thing madwa ni mondo obed godo gi geno ni gik moko dhi bedo kare. depending on the communication mo waneno ka dibele gisani iko kodhi bedo kare nikech already kaka sa wuoyo kata gisani communication already going on and kata ka neno nitiere some of our courses mane ok obedo tampered with.
Yes.
You sent me something in the morning, I believe you saw it. And gimoro ma it's only few of nini courses meko matin to mano bedo tampered with, but I believe all shall be well now that the communication is on. Yeah.
And when you speak with your parents, what are they saying?
Janyuol to dwaro mon understanding aparo omiyo do liaison mondo mi koro jonyuol o communicate bende gi lecturers mondo give the right stand mar gin, lakini wan wawegi ka students wasetemo eleza our parents kendo wanyisogi ni this wave which is a short wave and everything will get back to normalcy. Koro geno pod nitie onge gima osekethore ahinya.
Menyiso ni we are waiting anytime from now.
Yes.
The report nyalo wuok ni koro magi are the new statutes.
Definitely. Yeah.
And I asked a question which you didn't want to hear. If things doesn't work for you,
I don't go there as a manager, and I believe in positivity than negativity. If you say things doesn't work well for us, you don't have a big negative attitude. But anyway, we're optimistic. We are very hopeful as managers. That is who we are.
You know,
and
why I asked that? Weche mang'eny aina magi kalwedhi wacho ni kalwedhi ariyo dhao.
Yes.
Ng'ama nyalo thego wendo ting'e do how process and tidy as it can be. It can maybe go beyond this year before conclusion is arrived at.
Yes.
Are you guys ready to wait
apparently,
while settling at Kim?
Apparently now that TVET say take over and gidwaro ni mondo gitimre kaka gidwaro mabende Kim, the good thing ni Kim bindo yie omiyo that opportunity mondo mi gi investigate gi ng'i kaka gidwaro gi ng'i kaka classroom ekwa are as per their as per their
So they also complain about your spacing and stuff like
everything like that. TVET again is a body mabende gini magidwa ni take over anyway exam marwa gidwa ni gikaw mondo gima koro gi bed the exam body maro, which is okay. One day we welcome that as Kim students also. The thing mantie and all this will be well, and all this will be well. Panic mantie for a short while, and the thing is moving at speed.
it has affected you. And this thing is not light as you may think.
Yes.
Because sometimes people will still mock you in the future. I'm ready to handle this. Somebody they come on, Jokim, Gikim Yokodwaka, Kataka, everything has been resolved. We've seen people becoming funny like that.
Apparently, anybody and anyone mongeo history marking well will it go that direction. Since our existence was produce nothing but professionals in the industry, or produce your industry ready, our market exposed because of our physical learning, more the attachment more we go through. I will tell you, Gimano Biro Nyoro Nyal Keto reputation must be built for over the 70 years, if that is the case. And apara ni magomana yamo mabete nitie lakini professionalism mar ngato mar individual you can tell.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now as things stand now, you do report ni moko kuom somo masani obedo halter gin mage minyalo confirm ni mage to gikwero ni kik wadhi go nyime mage lakini mage mat pod giwen wanya dhi go nyime.
There's an official statement manyo wuok nyoro manya address the same actually. Kendo kana ngiye maber ne nitiere diploma courses no ko bedo altered, kata certificate courses me ko bino ko bedo interfered with. To mago the backbone mar Kim.
Okay.
Koro any other course matino tindo kanyalo bedo altered. To obiro mana ngiyo ka alignment nyalo timore with TVET gi Kim. To gibiro mana move on kaka.
Okay.
We hope for.
And now these institutions may come up to near Parga Boro.
Parga Deck actually.
They're 13, not 18.
We are there are 13 I guess. We have 13 branches, but maybe 18 go tomorrow in the plan.
No, the paper is saying 18.
They might be 18 even more. Yeah.
But you know 13.
I know 13. We have branches from coast to lake region. We have We have 2 branches. We have 2 in Nairobi actually, the main, and the other one which is in somewhere around in Mombasa. Actually, they could be 18. Yeah, I might be wrong, but they could be 18. Yeah.
And is there bad blood
What do you mean when I say bad blood?
between you and some people in the government?
The Kim fraternity. Apparently anauona adwani moda uo mostly behalf of students as a student leader. Kobedo ni bad blood nitie to mana paroni professionals are my trainers
Would be knowing.
will be in that position to answer that. But mine is if you ask me about the student welfare, I'll be in a good position to answer that.
Because you said
Yeah.
mbele ne wacho ni ntie gin gik musebedo kendo ng'e ni ntie achiel ariyo adek. That's why I did ask.
Again, I don't bed very clear. Could have been a spokesperson, my lecturers, could a spokesperson, my TVETA. Jogi duto kada no battle margi. I'm only trying to fight for the innocent students. Mokoro crisis no dogi inyore kendo gibedo with that anxiety. Hope make gimana gin godo chalu kagima gidwa lose. Yeah, definitely. Koro wadu ni mondo encourage kine kechana wur kata nyoro na meeting with my lecturers. I'm in communication with the head office as we speak, and there is hope. I don't urge students need. There is a lot of hope. Can do everything to get back to normalcy anytime soon. Yeah.
That is what is soon.
We cannot predict. You know,
How soon it can be.
It is going to be soon. Yeah.
And sichimane utwa kod nyithindo geki. Maybe if you could give us a rough estimation ni nyathi kosomo Kim, like you're doing, you're
DBM.
hoping to finish
this year. Yeah.
How would that cost? What would that cost?
The as per fee. Roughly, I think.
And how do you pay?
Okay. Roughly, I think I pay at the end of my course. I'll have to at the end of my module.
You shall have parted with the.
I'll have to pay roughly 130,000,
130.
which is somehow cheaper.
Somewhat cheaper.
Yeah.
This 130, if it goes in the West, they nyate mokodiam.
130 is a good money for a young person like me.
Yes.
And get a lot of ideas. Maka align those ideas. Maber tanyalo bedo a successful business person in this country.
Correct.
130. Lakini
So
okada wacho ni
you not really want it to work West.
okada wacho ni 130 was at a West neke chingine as a young person bende the good thing to do and why invest in these many courses as possible. Koro wadwaro ni mondo mi that education, that knowledge also matters to me. Okabo wacho na wito pesa lakini kakoro so far the knowledge mausido Kim aparo ni and okay, knowledge minyalo pimo gi pesa no.
Okay.
Knowledge is worth it.
Correct.
Yeah.
I'm getting you.
Yeah.
What is your hope? Immediately meet your Kim?
Hope strong. Aparo ni leke makip dhano mangima. Koro leke ngany kabisa. Lakini I want to be a manager and a CEO someday. Koro one of the right path for that.
And where you are was just for a period of time. Idwani kitieko to shape your future.
Yes.
To do something else.
Actually, Mimi, diploma is not the end of me, and even at the moment, I still inquiry. But anyway, I brought him that inquiry well after my diploma. Now, but time for focus the diploma, I'll want to be beyond diploma. I think a degree. Kataka ber ngaka PhD.
In your business thing.
My business.
In business.
In business profession actually. Yeah, mine is I'm focusing into business.
That's really your interest.
That is my interest.
Donjo Kim.
Kim. Yeah.
And what really inspired you to do business and not any other thing? Ngeni kawono bado tuloma wawe gojende as a way of also motivating them.
Yeah.
Some of them could now get scared and maybe you'd want kata mane for or record. There's somebody I'm sure I'm always dreaming to come.
Joma kata ni na paro nentire no wasegolo already timetable mar May intake na neno kane utembea somewhere, and I do urge any student mado join, especially if you want to pursue management courses. Probably Kim is the best institution to think of, and gima timore ni endi en mana administrative thing. Okay, gima ma affect student in a way, but en gima bende is already ilose. Koro kick discourage any student. Aparo ni kawaida the clearer communication from the jomori to kom gimondo giwach no director chon goiko to abronge where we stand. But again, I think for the shorter period I've been at Kim, the best management institution menyalo yudo in Kenya kind. We are one of the top notches we are having in this country. That is we have the record, the people we produced in the government parastatals that you are talking about, private entities, and even your local banks around here, you will see and find Kim alumni. Man, is a great deal to us.
Okay.
Yeah.
We are also hoping ni very soon gik moko bro dhi makare.
Yes, yes.
Kendo life kod ngima mag nyithindo ma samoro nitie kudo bro dhi nyime e yonero makare. I'm sorry, ahero luongo gi
Yeah,
school, but they should be our Kenyans.
Yeah.
Apart from that, we've also wasebedo kwa neni iwuon koni kod kocha ang'o mitimo apart from weche ni mag weche mag Kim, maybe watch Kim ni momiyo koro ne ibedo in the limelight.
Limelight wasebede weche mang'eny, joma ong'eyo ong'eyo ni wasebede limelight, lakini focus moro no ken limelight ahinya. But before Kim, apparently not even before Kim, but there is a campaign more on Sani and Dimar tuko kadi mabende hapa ni rumo in the next few days. Wasebedo kwa youth around wa urge vijende moromo 18 years and above ndo kikao kura kabisa, bedo gedi to kikao kura nekecho wacho ni kama tuko kadi hiyo ndio power yako, nekechi maneno ya tuko power, nataka power tionge gikadi is another phrase mo kwadwa ni mondo sani koro vijana iko regi risasi mare risasi man kadi nekechi wan gi youth matek, and we believe in the young people emanyalo redefine the future of this country. So mobilize ourselves maber kendo be in that unity mo wuotho kachiel.
Are you also in politics?
Aero siasa concern as all. Napero ni siasa and
are you also in politics?
I
didn't ask if you love politics.
I love politics anyway, by the way. Poker decide mo the politics fully, lakini focus more as at the moment is in my education. Yeah.
Apenyo man ke nje pitch ni mabere ringe mbui make kuwuotho ku chant so many chants left right and center, and somebody would ask you ni what is the end goal?
End goal ni gimoro moro motimo nyaka bed optimistic. Aparo ni the end goal marwa ka ng'iyo the statement as a nation at the moment, and ni wanego wuotho kachiel kaka the young people. And mane omiyo ne obiro gi this tuko kadi movement. Tuko kadi neno ka jomoko sai jake gi tuko kode gikete gi politicize it to gonego timre kamano, lakini wan gi geno maber ni ka vijende gi okao kadi to wadhi loko the future leadership of this nation.
Why do you say they have hijacked it and politicized it?
Ng'eyo ni kineno ka jo siasa chung ng'ane chung kocha, opposition kocha, the government to gibro wacho ni niko kadi. Even some of them I believe or understand the tuko kadi slogan. Yeah, if as a young person can you so my fellow young person ni niko kadi na yeye niambie niko kadi, we know what we are talking about. Mosamoro kunyanya the generation maelewa. Yeah.
What is that?
No, that is our secret.
When you say uko kadi,
untiate uko desani wawe unipigolo, lakini chieng'o bro kod niko kadi na ubro ng'eyo chieng' ma election day orom. That is what we mean when we say tuko kadi and it's a red card we are having. Okay, nena any other card. Hii kadi ni kadi nyekundu. So people are going home.
Who are your leaders?
Huh?
Who are your leaders?
What are our leaders? What do you mean I say
who are your leaders in Kisumu?
In Kisumu? Nangewatia leaders mekwa. Who are they as
in this Niko Kadi thing?
Oh, in this Niko. We have Odemba who is a good and apparently man won this phrase actually. Kiko Beauty and Atiogi Niko Kadi mare, lakini Odemba is doing a great job. The other day don't call the movement ni and mobilize ni wa team of mobilization kwa wote ndaraka kwa team of placards kwa hizo vijana wahamasisha gikao kadi, lakini Odemba is part of the leadership and here we have a lady also is doing a good job ilongoni Linda Gweno. I would love to recognize her. And also be so committed kuhakikisha ni tijini ya timore makare. And we have so many young people who are into it.
Sorry, watch Kim Nyomyokoro wange at least something else about this, you whatever you are in your card thing and stuff like.
Yes.
And you are not interested in associating yourself with any political faction as Niko Kadi thing?
Apparently, Niko Kadi thing is a unique phrase to the young people. Gima anatemo chonicha ni joma unmbele wa mtu yoko understand what it means. And I just told you Niko Kadi is a red card. So I think that the good time to wait in 2027, I'll show you what the Niko Kadi meant. I'll remind you.
But you're not in a political faction?
Personally, I'm not.
You are leaders?
The leaders, the leaders are there everywhere. I never think they are leaders. Like I don't want to talk about leaders of the Niko Kadi thing that much because they can do that on their own behalf. Yeah. Yeah.
You're running away from the truth.
No, I'm not running away from the truth. The only truth is that Tuko Kadi and Kadi ni red card.
I know. Yeah. I've understood that.
Yeah.
Ingema Bernie, when I'm asking you if the Nikogadi guys, are you falling in any faction?
No, we are not.
You have refused to respond.
We are not.
The other day, one and my good friend, the one you're mentioning, Linda, was with Orengo in Aero. And the one was covering the function.
Okay.
And they are pushing Nikokadi with Orengo.
To you...
So uni opposition?
No. We are not in opposition. Now, man, you see me... Tukokadi in most majority of people understand what Linda did in Aero, no kind of political thing. Linda know the Timothy Mara advocating for the young people. Mondo Kadi thing, if you're very keen. And the convention Mara Parliament Mano declare.
Were you there?
I was not there, but I saw the conversation.
Because, given a penjo, not in bad speed, I saw a number of young people like you.
Yes.
But I did not recognize all of them. The guys I knew there was Magero.
All right.
And
Tony.
Abula.
Abula, yes. Tony
and he's vying, eh?
Yeah, he's vying actually.
And I also saw Linda.
Yeah.
Magero. I think those are people recognized from Kisumu, I know.
Yeah.
Linda and Magero have hosted them here several times.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
You're the newcomer.
Okay. yeah. Linda is my person. Whatever she's doing, most of the times what is on net code, Gikmo, Timo, and the ideas make it. I don't know my ideas getting and Simon Alabito Martin.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you need or kugombo no yengruwe any other faction. Tomorrow nya yudruma na
outside.
Unya yudruka moro just because to push an agenda, but you're not.
No. There is something what is happening. Manya to accept.
Yes.
Economists and tough to understand. Just yes nyalo keto gimoro matin mar mondo mi again kumatimore anyway. Waseneno gi ido ni ngato golo gimoro matin mondo ngiew joma tindo like the ODM faction mane wan godo mar youth in Nairobi the other day. You saw it. It organic ma genuine iso ne ido ni ango mi golo pesa baba Raila ne optim ngi Raila was here with us.
Who bought youth?
I don't know, there's nobody like who bought youth. Gini no giginti gimani mtandao. And a good example in Mombasa, you saw the Mombasa event on Oburgino Timo. You cannot take me to a rally then you pay me 1,000 after the rally. What for? Niso ni neo kingeo ni if this do ko timore. Today the attendance not nyalo bedo low to jidwaro numbers. Kore mana me doka we have to facilitate the transportation. Yiso wo Kisumu the Mombasa the Nairobi. Mondo ang ne numbers at TV. Yeah.
Is that okay? Fine. The other day can the Huduma Center.
Yeah.
I don't know the Huduma Center, not
yes.
Huduma Center.
Ne wawuotho within CBD kabisa. Ne waluoro ko mane vijana matindo. Ko wuoyo kodgi weche manitie mag Nikokadi. Enda ko puonjogi about Nikokadi thing. Yes.
Shortcoming mane ubedo go kani unia move kanu chopo nyaka IBC.
Shortcoming samoro nyalo bedo ni ido ni samoro wuodhi ne wuoth matin. To vijana nyalo dwaro kata mana pi modho moro, lakini ne wabedo mamor nikech vijana gin vijana ma understood the assignment mana nitie by that time. Kendo ne took it lightly. Moko no dhi nyaka from their own pocket giyudo pigi gimodho, giyudo mari gitimo. Unisenyo kwa depend on someone to do it for us.
Okay.
Understand ni wanda kwa the end goal manitie.
And now ABC binyoya uthuolo mondo mi koro ne ogando wuogoko okaombolo. If you check on the dailies today, they wacho ni they won't extend this period. It's around 10 days to end it. And uneno ka ojende osewuok moromo koso.
Apparently for the first time in history, the turnout ma waneno ka IBC mention kanya numbers go eko. The numbers mar giving hope. And kata ka wanyalo wacho ni kuonde moko to team also witness the low turnout. So we believe ni the number one goal already. But anyway, tempo ni team matin mantieno. Wado encourage samoro joma poko ido thuolo mar kao ombulu. Kindikre kaka jo kanyo mondo ikaw ombulu. Nikech mano is the only thing manyalo konyowa e battle mon godo.
Ang'o maduong' ma demotivate ga young people when it comes to going out, having the vote, casting your vote?
Apparently the good thing and common sense. Number one is very common sense. Kikwa beda jama goyo kura koparo iwa. Ngane no golo pesa mang'eny en manya kwa gone kura. Wa vote leaders mar ideas mekgi kata agenda mekgi. Nyalo konyo. Shida ni trust jogi matek nikech sa campaign you can even imagine nyalo kata tell from the sitting president nengi agenda mambeo kabisa
which has implemented,
which to many of them are implement. And mane giva koro trusting the government. Trust ngato te. Kinyalo kata ni vai ka uono. Ibro miyo weche mamit. obro fall for that, then koseketi kuja to koro ibro yudo ka iselokori gi agenda mari itimo the contrary. Yeah, which is so obvious with Kenyan politicians. Lakini we are hopeful ni chieng' moro bro yudo vijende understand the struggles, the hurdles mag jopiny kendo gibro temo mondo mano endo kik nenre.
And Kisumu County ne ungi target maromo nade for young people when you are rolling it out, and maybe what have you got right now?
Kisumu County falls in Nyanza, and the reality mantie and Nyanza wanted low population compared to other regions. Lakini wasetemo Kisumu ne wawacho ni odwaro kata mana kaber to 1 million kende. Mane wang'eyo ni nonyalo yudo nenyalore. Lakini wasetemo so far Kisumu. I'm not sure of the numbers today, lakini I believe ni we are somewhere.
Okay. Mapepio anlunga ni Nyar Kokoth West ye kod wi matino ero kaka olero weche nyise ni giket mana geno kar sombgino Nyasaye bro tele kik giluor. Ni kuluor then ngato ni Wilson Ouko Adir kantie Mombasa wacho ni luwo chenro e makare kendo mor kod paro maler ma igolo. Wacho ni iwuoyo motegno e kabisa. Then we have good morning Justus antie Mweru Panda Siaya County an kodwe chenro alu eyo makare mosna ojana. And then Victor Marcia bende wacho ni entie kodwe chenro kendo oluwo chenro yo makare ni pare ni ngato ne oyango mielo yaku motedi wacho ni kech nitie ne oganda
kech jopiny jomatek.
Kama na nyegen leti odhiambo bende wacho no yudo maler ka entiere seme oluwo chenro e yo makare. This gimano timro no kimni omiyo wayudo thuolo mabe wago e mbekni moko kotenre koda dongruok mag ojende. And you've also tried to explain to us kaka ojende gik ma samoro chido chuny ojende kinde magiwuok oko. Do young people have the power maginyalo chung together and they do their thing as a people? So they are still meant to be leaders, Mokinyi.
Managi makoro, if you look at the other team, in as much as Ampoka take side, lakini I believe ni young people and time marosani mundo waka leadership okdeti podi wacho ni one leaders mag tomorrow. It's time makoro we end this, magogi ntugo mano winjo rechon. And I love to recommend the other team, the other ODM, Mabedo led the official SG Masamoropo Nitie, Edwin Sifuna, to Apoka Tech side Mara. If you see that team, and team is already having some few leaders like Orengo, what do I do in catch of their wisdom? Orengo in this game, and also it's a legal concept. Any team Manti Wakili can team or Jonekni, and team Marja Mariek more understand.
You mean that the faction is for Jonekni?
No. Okalunga range Jonekni, like not a much any Joma Wakili can Jama Vigiler. Interior function moroma. Kawacha ni ginjo ne kola kini gimbe giti mo apart like ni giti megi other interest mopogore gi this other genuine interest. King here this team are led by Orengo and Babu and those young other guys.
Orengo is a lawyer.
Orengo is a wakili, Sifuna is a wakili.
Sifuna is a wakili.
Babu is a lawyer. Yeah.
So in the other camp they are running short of lawyers.
It's not about even the lawyers thing that define a nation. Like I believe ni so long as ideas give much ni marjo pin. Ingen shida marjo telo Kenya ni gikao gikmoko gi prioritize themselves over the people. Maparo ni one is the problem gichallenge mosebedo koto over the decades mosekalo. One is the problem.
So I'm not having anything about you maybe falling in love with that the likes of Oburu, the likes of Orengo, loving whatever thing they're doing because man ambition maranga to kaka oneno ka gik moko ne bene tayo to faction ni ginango mineno ka okitim maber.
Function, the other function. Mara Oburu and Luanga.
You're youth leader.
Youth leader Timo Maber anyway. Shida manitia paro ni Joma Loro. En sama nyala bedo maber lakini kaji uluri Joma richo. Tibedo Joma richo. Lakini paro ni intentions mag party leader kada youth leader kakiluonge no. Kini intentions maler kabisa shida tu ni samoro Joma Loro ma wacho ni mayo nego tim kama mayo nego bed ka kianadi. Which is so wrong. They are full of themselves. Joma Loro the party leader.
If you would go for voting tomorrow as a young person, would you vote William Ruto?
William Ruto? That's a quite complicated question, lakini I wouldn't really want to disclose that nikech kura yangu ni siri yangu, lakini I love the fact that kadi yangu ni nyekundu.
Correct. Oh.
I love the fact that
No, that's just answered my question.
And mimi okay, I don't know. Engine no, macho.
Lakini when you're playing a soccer and you're a player and you're a rough player and your opponents have been crying, nani,
what I know,
then a red card is raised, we definitely know what it means.
What I know,
there's nothing much on that.
What I know, awinjire ng'ama ber gimana ng'eyo. Ang'eyo ng'ama ok dhi bedo president.
Okay.
Lakini ng'ama dhi bedo president to podagia.
Okay.
Yeah. So mano is my stand.
Ing'eyo ng'ama?
Ok dhi bedo president.
And who's that? Because you've said ang'eyo.
Ng'ama ng'eyo no bro.
You're not bold enough to.
I don't know. I'm very bold enough. We actually kura na nyekundu.
Okay.
And we one gi is what we say ngori. One gi a lot of ngori. Tumejaa ngori. Tumejaa ngori man. It's bad.
And kubaya.
It's bad man. It's bad. Yani gima vijende the team ya Kenya ni. Ingeni since mag 2023 Uchomo and gik moko. I mean the last finance bill protest and the rest of stuff like that. Mwezi wa sita, the June, we were wili gimano. Sisi go powder very fresh in our mind.
You don't look like someone who was on the road.
I was on the road actually. I'm a part of the people manati parliament. Masama ni risa sibayo kona nando manelo.
You're not serious.
I'm telling you. We had a very good team. We mobilized ourselves. We went to the parliament to protest against the finance bill mananti at that time. Mane good thing ni nowhere lakini nowhere samakoro watu amonde kadang wegi moro koro ate mwana wacho ni loko ko gidi.
I'm good at you sir. I'm getting you ko ka yudi sija podo ka yudi ma fine thank you.
You don't know anything.
You are in Nairobi? No,
I was in Nairobi at that time.
I'm not joking. On a serious note, I didn't know. I would one day meet somebody who was lying low as the bullets were passing.
In fact, people died even kando yangu. Kineto nyake batakanya. We are very lucky Kenya side no airport. Yeah. Ndiji mnadonja kwa parliament ma wanaweka negi huko kidhot makocha cha Karnegi sepo. Ineno mana in the news.
No, bring us up to speed. When you got to the gate of the parliament, how are the things?
Negative entrance actually mano expect at one lakini na kwa dimondo kwa dimondo ya uno no dimondo wadonji and no dimondo wadonji. I believe ni mano is what we see when youth come together. Mana is the permanent and that possibility puniti the youth mano work go podniti one again and podonja timo another one I believe ni mano timo cha samoro nyalo bedo matin. The mother of it all nyalo bedo mang'eny podi, and now that Baba is not there to mediate, I could not tell, but I can only anyalo advice ni future maron maber na kitoro ni kadi.
Okay. And when you go to the compound and you are seeing those officers hitting at you, some of you got and
yes.
How was it? The experience?
Again, terrifying moments. Like seeing a soldier falling. Okay, give my word, soldier and comrade man obedogi bold enough moringo the protest against gigo man and team man bedevil at the moment. Tokineno anawon ni tie kijana moro mabio biwil ne obedo shot e wiye e batha kabisa mogore piny ma koro kosogore piny chuna akaw rembe ma mieno rago mondo ang'inen ma shot bedo shot because you could never know ni in ma shot ni duo maki. Makoro,
what do you mean? You need to modern and this one is already short.
Yeah. No, actually, you know, no care mano. Apparently, can you look clear in journalists at that time now. They never cared with the media. They shoot even live bullets even before the media. So at some point, they even harass the media personality. And gik manani kanyo no gina san koro mondo misa moro ni bed safe enough. Kenya no ka ose chwado ngani ose nindo. To ine midong ya like odi my and koro the modi chwada. Kori kakare maja tipa kati mani patui tikundo ni na muchwadi kori indanda ngamoto tungamani bati toto. That is what we did. That is what I did. Yeah, that is what I did.
What did your parents say?
Apparently mine was ours. No can my parents make way anyway.
They didn't fear for your life?
They did actually. Like in one punda
no, we are talking of ngato koro nyathime.
Yeah.
Ngisamoro kidwa wuok daddy mintaenda.
Yeah.
And did you speak with them? Did they guide you? Did they ask you to? How was it?
Apparently nawanyiso gini page ni kamarash ne kechi jomabeyo link. Tunwanyiso gini one kaka jomabeyo masamo no understand kimandhi mbele kwanya link mondo pinya di kamarash. Nemo men wakao the bold move kendo ne wakao baraka margi legilemo no mane wawuok mane wadhi, lakini what happened. Gima ne ok oduogo dala bende nitie, mane ok oduogo, mane oduogo bende nitie, ma gin wan gini mago ne Nyasaye erokamano ne waduogo. Koro
the likes of Rex Masai.
Nyasaye mondo oket chunygi kamokwe gi kina Omondi and the rest wao wenye wote walikufa, lakini one more believe ni one more dong obro soja on kendo obro fight for what they believed in.
You don't fear for your life?
Sometimes it doesn't matter. Aparo ni I believe ni is better. Anaparo ni Rex died a hero. Rex Masai noto as a hero than inwa samoro no kiwuok idhi ng'anyo. Ang'eyo it is not worth it nikech samoro neno ni msichana marempo. Lakini what do you think what can happen when we come together? Dongo wanyalo chopo our nation kama wadware. Dongo wanyalo timo gimoro ma to show ni waol. Mana gimana watimo ne waol. Ni nyalo paro the cost of living by that time and everything. And Kenya ngeni nigi trend moro ni nyaka wadhi ng'anyo, nyaka jito is when gik moko bedo better. Mano nyaka wa change. Wanyalo yudo another different approach. Manyalo gik manyalo timo without involve death mar ng'ato.
What's your take on the current economy?
Okan expert mar economy, lakini economy is part of what I'm doing anyway.
Lakini kinene on a layman way. Wan kanye kaka piny.
Osetemo anyway. Telo maniti osetemo. Aneno kata ka samoro king'iyo gisetemo but pok gitimo the required amount monego gitimo. Aparo ni bende mane omiyo kata wan gi vision mar chopo first world. It will take us decades.
You want to go to Singapore?
How do the Singapore? Ngeni Singapore, the first thing they did mano gichop Singapore ni negi corruption negi deal with as the first thing. Kenya chopo Singapore to deal with corruption case.
Corruption is still at the core.
Mine is a bigger problem and bigger challenge. Kendo samoro konyal chopo Singapore. Both konyal chopo Singapore.
True, you're right. Kichiwinjo ni jalup jatend piny migosi Abraham Kithure Kindiki tiyo omenda maduong' moseket ne mondo mi oringo mana gi chopa and stuff like. And these are the things you people went to the road for. Belt mar ng'ato sijui en pesa di. Wuoche kende morwako. These things are still resurfacing.
Ilongo ni misplaced priorities. And Kenya, my motherland, will not cease to amaze us. Gik moko timore mabugo ji pile ka pile, lakini Kenya mare ingeni you can go to some places like in Turkana, ibro ng'iyo the level of healthcare mantiere kuonde go eko. Inyalo ywak. Lakini kiwinjo ni ng'ato to ket ka omenda medine wuoth e ndege. Ng'ato ng'iewo belt mar 1500 or what you know whatever the amount okadwa ke, lakini money is what we call now the misplaced priority. Lumumba nowacho ni joma nigi ideas onge telo, to joma nigi telo lack ideas, which is now real if you look at the Kenyan politics. That is particularly PLO, like if I can quote him. That is what he said. Joma nigi telo lack ideas, but people with ideas now they lack the leadership. That is what is happening in our country. And we need people like Lumumba and people like Orengo. I believe ni the only wise men makoro are remaining in our nation for their guidance and clarity. Ingeni ng'adilu elder, nyakubed elder man gi wisdom to nigi clarity mabero, nyalo show direction. Mano omiyo kodwa luwo jomoko maonge direction.
Next time I'll invite you for in-depth discussion on this.
Thank you so much.
Kauno to ne warawa. Wagomba na bath kaka inyalo dhi ti igomba na bath puodho matin to.
Weche ng'eny monego wasi go kandawa. Nego puonjre kabisa. Nikech mane kaka wadwaro.
Okay. And how ready are you young people 2027?
Readiness marwa bro bedo proven on the day of the ballot. Nikech ani aonge gi ana wuon
moment
nitie ng'ato nyalo decide ni chieng' odwa ninda ok abi chiwe gi thuon mondo dhiego kura, lakini ana wuon mo understand the economy mar Kenya, understand the all unajua ukichoka you make some decision man is the only bold decision manyalo make on that day. Koro wan aparo ni wawang' kabisa kendo waol to kendo jo Kenya mang'eny matindo mo understand that ni kaka waol no endo bro wuok mo ng'ato gichuno gi wuok mondo gidhigo kura kata gi local leadership mondo giyier leadership ma gin giwegi gidwaro.
Making sense.
Yeah.
Kisumu County nade?
Kisumu County nitie lweny mang'eny, jogilare kabisa. Nyaneno weche nitie iye kae mang'eny kabisa, lakini ok adwa wuoyo Kisumu County ahinya nikech pok take side. Neno ka jokano moko ni iye magi jowa kano kwacha, neno ka jomoko be nitie. Anyway, whoever the people of Kisumu bro miyo nafas bang professor bro obro neno kasano chopo okadwa wacho sani okada point out fingers ni ngane.
You don't want to take side?
I don't want to take that side now. The time project mo broke outside before 2027 maybe.
Okay. Wach mogik midigomb wacho ne jotiegre mabende ne omi wach maduong' ni biro kaka wuon kwatieko. And then I'll also give you time to talk to young people. I'm told there's a young boy you guys lost in your faction, Mal Kokadin in Kisumu.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you know Jerim Joram.
We had him actually.
He's a young boy, I know.
No, kind of lighting Maring and negative more recently actually.
Maybe you'd want to say something on that, and maybe or most. And as a young person is growing up, all of us would wish ni wabedgi a sober community, a community where the atmosphere accommodates all. Yeah. Maybe a last word to your people in school.
My people at school, I think, the hopes are there. Now the good thing, and the one way must solve a problem, and first of all accepting the problem. And key must accept me. Okay, samoro manoniti loopholes gonna tie wasi initiator mondo wa participate kodgi mondo wangi kuma loopholes gonti mondo address gi. And gima is ongoing even at the moment. I do encourage students make one mondo my is the moment mondo wa show the skills managerial skills mon godo kaka students kimo ngere kaka management school. Nikech as a manager ka gimoro ina giditie to ki bed ngama you know okibed ngama kangeyo kaka inyalo wachi lakini ibedo ngama analyze gimoro with a lot of sobriety. Mane gima would wish to see in Kim students in my matimo godo lakini there is a lot of hope. Nikech from the statement why you do pile communication why you do pile surely there is a lot of hope. Nikech Kim maronya yao anytime soon. Koro we are remaining hopeful. Family mara osiepo manyo wawito mane o believe in tuko kadi wado wacho ne mokuongo na wuon akawo thuolo ni mondo aorne family mare my deepest sympathies. I believe ni kama intien kama ber lakini it's so sad ngeni ngama tin ka lalongi mane.
Yes.
And that time for the parents, for the family, I know because I've been there. But what do I so give the family mara osiepono is in our thoughts. And waparo ni whatever I believed in tukokadi obrochium ne mano kendo obro articulate that mano endo kata moromo mar goyo kura.
Okay.
Yes. To the young people in general, adwa wacho ni ang'eyo pesa ng'eny kuonde moko pesa tinie lakini economy be samoro tough. Koro ginyalo mi pesa icham man to katamora lakini kik will you lose your mind ichamo pesa.
You lose your focus.
Kawa pesa icham lakini chiengo yo kura aparo ni ingo kura mondo yer sirikal mani woni dwaro my believe in ma nyalo konyi nyalo loko nyalo tero kamoro. But akwayo mondo bed gi that unity. And over Kisumu whatever the leadership pan godo Kisumu niko kadicha. Albo gombo mondo be even beyond niko kadi thing. Obed give that mobilization mabere kindu akaje matindo wa communicate in one language going forward.
Nyiri machoko dong to romo kanyo sa dek gwen market kod mendi hinja kod mga jwangel koma na inya ojijojon gomine wami short notice to nido thuolo mondo mi bimbek kod oganda jokanyanam kendo pimne ga chelare dek mabende no bedo kendo jip mabende bedo go kod ojende pacho kainde nya to ka kod oganda dhi elweny maiga gana riyo kod prayo kod abirio yiero no ero maiga gana riyo kod prayo kod abirio wanyasai ko chako nyalo nato nyalo ni obro chako time kendo odiochieng' machielo nyaka mga jwang in mabende ni luwo chenro ni ari sapaga chielo kinyi makawuono nyaka stulo ni mabende koren sa deke wange kugwen market kod maendi wagon niero kamano chako rad kiny chieng' Thursday TBT throwback Thursday ma obro bedo kod gimoluongo ni Career Thursday ma wabedo kod jolony e nyandho mag weche go eko mag somo kata tije ma opogore opogore warado odiochieng' makiny luongo ni Justice Adoyo Ahud Seme.